disconnected, but I've realized that the disconnect has a broken bolt that was welded on there at one time and wasn't welded on very good, so that had to be repaired.
Aren't you burning up in that sweatshirt?
No.
Your kickstand is down.
I know.
That's a woman. Seen her go by here yesterday. She's looking for her man. So anyway, the releases for the heads, buckets, or whatever you want to call it, that one there is broke, so gonna have to weld it back on.